This is a car water pump, a centrifugal type. Typically, they are centrifugal type. The way a water pump works is there is this hole here that is connected, actually this hole right here. So all of these have fluid in there behind the impeller too. So there is this connection. So under the impeller, so fluid is everywhere. So when it rotates like this, it tries to create vacuum behind the impeller like this. When it's doing this, create vacuum pressure behind the impeller like this. So when a vacuum pressure is created, so the fluid here has low pressure compared to the outside. You have fluid there. So that outside high pressure will rush into this pump through this. And then, like when it's rotating like this tip of the impeller or this fluid rotating like this has a lot of centrifugal energy, kind of like half mv square. That energy is transferred into the pressure energy. So as you can see, the output side, you see the volume is start to increase. So the volume here start to increase right here. There is also output side in this side too. So the volume actually increases. So by increasing the volume, so volume is area times velocity. So what it does is when you increase the total volume is fixed, then when you increase the cross-sectional area, the velocity will drop. So that half mv square, the kinetic energy coming from the centrifugal, the rotation of the fluid, the energy half mv square, when that velocity is reduced right here, so you're dropping that kinetic energy. Then you're gaining some pressure energy. So that's how centrifugal pump develop pressure. However, a car water pump typically don't develop much pressure. It's about 10-15 psi. So the temperature difference also, this little bit of pressure difference causes the flow. As you realize, all of these are connected with rubber hose. This is connected with the rubber hose. So it cannot really, it is not designed to develop a lot of pressure, which is not necessary. However, it is designed to make a lot of flow so that it can cool the engine with its ton of flow. So another common mistake I would like to talk about. So actually, this pump rotates this way to create vacuum inside the pump housing, and the tip is that's where the centrifugal force is created. But not when it is asked which way pump rotates, a lot of students shows this way, which is incorrect. This is not how this pump actually rotates. It rotates this way, create vacuum inside the housing, and then the output side simply increases the cross-sectional area or the volume. That actually drops the velocity, the centrifugal energy, and that develops the pressure. Depending on how the impeller is designed, this one particularly not designed for high pressure, for high flow. Mostly all centrifugal pumps are designed for high flow.